That. And if you wish this as spicy food, you may add Tabasco or very hot sauce on top. I love spicy food. Super yummy. Num num num. Hindi talaga ako papayat nito. Dili jud ko maniwang ani. Kalami jud sa akong giluto. The rice, the basmati rice is so tasty because I added some chicken stock. The shrimp is not overcooked. Shout outs to all my viewers, my supporters. So good. You should try making them at home. It is healthier. There is baby spinach, fresh cherry tomatoes, shrimp, and brown basmati rice. They are so easy to cook. The brown rice has some crunch in it when you chew. Totally different from the white rice. I prefer the brown rice. It has more fiber and less carbs. Galaway jud mo pertijong lamia. It is so delicious. You must be drooling watching me eating these. You should try making them at home. You saw me making them. It is so easy, right? You don't even need to fry them. OMG. Naglaway jud mong katanaw sa ako ah. Yay. Lutuan na ninyo ba? Try to cook them at home. It is so easy. Laway, 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 lamo. Shout out to many GC out there. Group chat. Lalong-lalo na sa Team Foday. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Sa Team U-Coins. Sa mga sugarol sa U-Coins. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Sa mga Team BG. Shoutout sa inyong tanan. To all my Evians, shout out to all of you. Alam niyo ang tanig na ginamos ba? Alam niyo ang tanig na uyap? Bagong alamang o ginamos? Bagong isda? So good. OMG. Yummy spicy because I added some spicy sauce. Daginuton jud kay sayang kayo ba? Hi. Yeah. Okay. Love you. Daginot jud. Daginuton ka nang wala na joy mombo. So good. Brown rice are crunchy. When they're cooked perfectly, dili sila lata. Crunchy to eat. Yummy. You don't even need to add seasoning if you don't want to your brown basmati rice. Cheers. So good. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. Until my next upload, I hope you cook this at home and try. It is so good.